Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the brightness on the WebComics application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a comic which what you want reading, and here go to the settings button next to the progress option at the bottom of the screen, and in the brightness just click to the white circle and you can adjust the brightness. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.